This is an Altium Designer schematic. It's strictly for electrical engineers. If you just need to review the design, use the free Altium 365 web viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you how to upload it. We're going to solve this SCHDOC issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. A SCHDOC file is a schematic document created by Altium Designer. It contains the electronic circuit design, including components, connections, and annotations. This file serves as the blueprint for printed circuit board, PCB, layout, and is crucial for electronic product development. It stores graphical representations of electronic circuits. The SCHDOC format adheres to Altium Designer's proprietary structure, incorporating layers for components, wiring, and annotations. It supports hierarchical designs, allowing complex circuits to be organized into manageable modules. The file also stores component properties and netlist information for PCB design. Altium Designer, developed by Altium, serves as the industry application standard for SCHDOC. Only basic attributes are visible within the standard Windows File Explorer. Windows displays the code, but proper handling requires a trusted scripting environment. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your SCHDOC file and click Open With. If Altium Designer is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. When your SCHDOC file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, use Altium Designer. Open the file using Altium Designer or the free Altium Designer Viewer application. Next, check component libraries. Ensure that all component libraries referenced in the schematic are loaded in Altium Designer to prevent missing component errors. Finally, convert to PDF. Use Altium Designer's file, Smart PDF feature, to export the schematic as a PDF file for universal viewing and sharing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.